Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. Carrots, the orange vegetable we all love to eat. They come in the traditional orange and also can be white, yellow, red and purple. They can be left in the ground all winter. This will make them sweet. Carrots are rich sources of vitamin A. It helps eyesight and your skin and also boosts the immune system. And carrots are the most popular vegetable in the world after potatoes. And now I am going to show you how easy it is to grow them. Firstly, you grab a packet of your favorite carrots. This particular carrot should grow easy in this bed and be ready to be plucked in about 60 to 80 days. Start by creating lines in the soil about a couple of millimeters into the dirt and simply sprinkle the seeds in and just cover them lightly. This will get them started. Once they start to show, you can thin them out to allow the carrots to grow well and not compete for food. If you'd like to see more of my videos, search for the Great North Gardener or subscribe.